everybody, Laura Pennock here from Fairy Fox Design. Welcome to a Spider-Man tutorial. Before we get started though, I want to do a quick shout out and a big thank you to all of the Fairy Fox friends. We couldn't do this without you, so thank you so much, you guys. If you want to thank them too, you can definitely do that in the comments. Now, this tutorial is really special. Spider-Man is the #1 boy choice, like across America, across the world. Like, this guy is popular. He's popular among the little kids and among the big kids, and we love him, right? We love him until we hate him. It is so tricky when you have little tiny kids that want their whole face painted, but mom only wants to pay for a little thing. And the little kid sees it and they point to the other side. They're like, what about this? They can't even talk yet, but they know something's wrong with their Spider-Man. The tutorial today is one where you can play with the color if you want to, but you have the speed of a small design, except that it goes across the face. And by doing that, the little kids feel like, I got my whole face painted. This is the perfect bridge of a hybrid between fast, easy, big impact. I love it. If you enjoy this tutorial, I just want to let you know that I have 9 more superhero designs that we have put together into a masterclass. If you want to watch that class, there's a link for it in the description, and super easy. You can order just the class, or you can join a group, the Fairy Fox Friends. You get access to all of my master classes. So either way, let's get going with this tutorial. So I like to start with a white powder base. This is just really nice because it goes over the eyes super well, and especially if you're working on a small kid, Star Blends is a great product to use. I'm putting it on with a printer cleaner. These are just cheap, easy sponges. You can keep them for one show, throw them away. They're really great. You can get those on Amazon. And once we have those eye pieces in, it's super easy to just do like a rainbow right in between. And I want to keep the dark edge on the outside. So I flip my brush as I one stroke this purple in. Then I'm just going to zigzag back and forth across. And by keeping that dark edge on the outside and then just moving it around, we get almost like a shaded effect. Only we just had to use one brush load. I love it. It goes so quick and it looks really nice. Now I'm using a really thick round brush. This is about a number 8, and I'm just getting a real creamy load. And then I'm going to go thin to thin right into the corner of the eye, and then an S curve, thin to thin, going into the inner corner of the eye. And repeat on the other side. So this is a really easy way to get great Spider-Man drama in the eyes, and we're keeping this design up on the top half of the face. Once we've got those lines in place, I'm moving down to a number 4 round. I'm going to just clean up some edges, make them really bold, and then put in these teardrops. I want to bend the teardrops. By not having these be straight lines, it mimics the roundness of Spider-Man's actual face, because this is going to mimic the top of Spider-Man's head, not his forehead, like we're putting it here on the little girl. Then we're just going to put in some thin to thick to thin web lines. You can go down to a smaller brush to get really, really thin webs, or you can keep them a little bit on the bold side. I like mine to be bold because I'm going to go over the top now with a white highlight. Once we've got our black in place, we're going to move on to white. Now, white's going to add a little bit of the detail work. On the outer corner of the eye, we'll do 3 little teardrops. This just mimics the webbing and makes a softer transition into the unpainted skin. Then we're going to do some teardrops on top of the black. Now, if your black isn't fully dry, or if your white isn't super creamy, it'll be a little bit gray, and that's great too, because gray is a natural highlight of black. Then we're going to use some color-specific chunky glitter to match that purple. Yeah, the purple and then a little bit of blue, and just right across the bridge of the face. Obviously, we don't have to do the glitter, but it's so sparkly and fun. I love it. And you can see the design's done. It's so fast. Spider-Man. You look awesome. High five. Good job. I would love to know what you think. If you paint this, please hashtag something or other so that I can see it, because I would absolutely love to be there to cheer you on. Thanks so much, you guys, and I'll see you next time.